Hi, this is Dan from FounderPal. Marketing strategy is essential for service-based businesses, and let me show how you can get one in under 5 minutes with the power of AI. So we'll go to FounderPal and we have a marketing strategy for landing page roasting business. So basically that's a service you get, your customer sends their landing page and you record a video about it and send back to them. So we have description, we have our audience, we have some monetization model details, and this is our productized service. So what is the first step? We need to understand who is our ideal customer. So we'll go to user persona and we'll get a persona with key insights about their life. We could get this information like from user interviews, but if we don't have time to run 50 interviews, we get key insights in 10 seconds. And sometimes in service-based business especially, we have multiple personas, so we can get a main persona and a secondary persona, and this persona can be different, and these details are more interesting because sometimes you want a campaign to be targeted one persona, sometimes another. So if you have multiple personas, this is a very useful feature for you. So the next step is to connect our ideal customer with our product, with the product positioning. This is basically how can we communicate our product's value, how can we stand out from the competition, and what tone of voice should we use. This is very useful because you don't want to say the same salesy pitch about your service over and over again, and this gives you some flexibility and it sells your product in a very organic way. So that's foundation of your marketing of your service-based business. Now we want to do some research. For example, we can go to market analysis and understand what's going on in our market, what customer changes happened, what alternative solutions exist to our specific solution, and how can we better than them. And that's one step. The second step is brand marketing, because obviously you will create a lot of content pieces about your service and you want to be aligned and consistent in the tone of voice and like brand archetypes, and this information is very useful to make sure you communicate the same values, the same ideas over and over again. And this is like, again, the strategy level. Now it's time to get more actionable, because every week you need new clients, you need to move leads in your marketing funnel. So we'll go to marketing ideas tool. This tool generates ideas to either acquire or convert more customers, and this is just to power up your marketing mix. For example, you can get ideas like offer a free mini analysis, and this will be a conversion tool to move people from just like interested to engaged with you, and you can get an action plan to get a step-by-step instructions what you need to do to convert your specific target audience segments. So that's again very useful. If you are into content marketing, you can get specific content ideas. For example, if you have a blog of your landing page service, you can get an idea, top 3 conversion rate optimization tool for solopreneurs. It's relevant, it's on interest level, it's simple. You can write it and start getting traction with this relevant piece of article. And finally, if you are ready to create some freebies for your service-based business, you can go to lead magnets ideas and, for example, create an email course, mastering landing page design and copywriting. This is again relevant, it's interesting, it's useful. You create this and you showcase your paid product very authentically. And finally, if you are looking to change your pricing, improve your landing page, basically you want to increase the conversion rate of your marketing funnel, there are tools for that too. For example, if you are interested, how can you change your pricing model? You go to pricing strategies, and now there are new plans, and these plans will offer something different. It's a good idea to experiment with. Or for example, you have your landing page and you want to get feedback on this, you can submit it and get feedback how this landing page is aligned with your marketing strategy. Is it doing a good job? What to improve? And all of these will increase your conversion rate without actually acquiring more users, which is also very useful for you. And finally, all of these steps that I have shown are 100% personalized. So for example, if you go to content ideas and you have a specific channels you want to cover, let's say you have a TikTok account, you can mention just TikTok and you will get 10 content ideas only for TikTok. So this is very useful because service-based businesses are different from SaaS businesses and from content creator businesses. So your strategy is 100% personalized to your interests and specific unique situations. And yes, sign up today to try all of these tools. You can get full marketing strategy in under 5 minutes, and you will get the right marketing directions for your business. So I hope you're excited to try it, and I will see you around.